Ever feel like you're on the outside looking in? You see big groups of friends laughing, and you wonder, why isn't that me? It's easy to think that having fewer friends means there's something wrong with you. But what if I told you it could actually be a sign of some incredibly rare and valuable traits? Let's flip the script and explore 5 surprising strengths often found in people with smaller social circles. First up, they're fiercely independent. People with few friends aren't waiting for a group to decide what to do on a Friday night. They're comfortable in their own company, pursuing their own interests, and making their own plans. They don't need external validation to feel whole. This self-reliance is a superpower in a world where so many people are afraid to be alone. They're the pioneers, the adventurers, the ones who aren't afraid to walk their own path, even if they walk it alone. Second, they value deep, meaningful connections over superficial ones. Think about it. Maintaining a huge network of friends takes a ton of energy. People with a smaller circle choose to invest that energy wisely. They're not interested in small talk or shallow interactions. They crave authenticity and depth. When they find someone they connect with, they go all in. These friendships are often built on a foundation of trust and mutual understanding. That's incredibly strong and lasts a lifetime. It's quality over quantity, every single time. The third trait is exceptional self-awareness. Spending more time alone gives you a unique opportunity for introspection. You get to know yourself on a profound level, your strengths, your weaknesses, your passions, and your fears. People with few friends often have a very clear sense of who they are and what they stand for. This isn't arrogance. It's a quiet confidence that comes from deep self-reflection. They're not easily swayed by trends or peer pressure because they're anchored in their own identity. Next, they are often highly creative and original thinkers. Solitude is the soil where creativity grows. Without the constant chatter and influence of a large social group, the mind is free to wander, explore, and make new connections. Many great artists, writers, and inventors were known for being solitary figures. They use their alone time to dive deep into their passions, to create and to innovate. Their unique perspective isn't diluted by groupthink, allowing them to produce work that is truly one of a kind. Finally, the fifth trait is an incredible level of empathy and observation. When you're not the center of a bustling social scene, you become a keen observer of the world around you. You notice the small details, the subtle shifts in emotion, the things that others might miss. This makes people with few friends incredibly empathetic. They listen more than they talk, and they can often understand others on a much deeper level. They might not have 100 friends, but they are the friend you call when you need someone who will truly listen and understand. So if your social circle is small, don't see it as a flaw. See it for what it could be, a sign of your independence, your depth, your self-awareness, your creativity, and your empathy. These are rare qualities in a noisy world. Embrace your path, cherish the deep connections you do have, and remember that your worth isn't measured by the number of friends you have, but by the quality of person you are. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that challenges the way we think. See you next time.